Welcome you all to today's video, children. This is Spoken English lesson 99. Happy to welcome you all to today's video. Let us continue the yesterday's topic. I told two college friends are meeting in a girl's house. Okay. The girl said, I grew up in a small town. I was not used to living in a big city. Grew up means growing. Okay. I didn't even have friends and felt pretty lonely. She did not have any friends because she was very new to the city. Okay. And the next one, it was hard for me to hang in there. Hang in means to continue and not give up. Okay. Trying to attach with something. Okay. Continuing our trying. Okay. It was hard for me to hang in there. The girl said, but things have changed for the better. But things have changed for the better. She told, you are trying so that the things are changing. Okay. Next one, I have finally made a few good friends to hang out with. I have finally made a few good friends to hang out with. Hang out means spend time. Spending time is called hanging out. Okay. So I hang out with my friend means I spend my time with my friends. Okay. I have finally made few friends to hang out. Okay. The next one. That's great to hear. If anyone feels better, you should appreciate them, or you should place a word, that's great to hear. Next one. What's the typical day in your life like? What's the typical day in your life like? The girl wanted to know the friend's typical day every day. Okay. Routine. She told, well, I wake up at 6 a.m. Okay. Usually when someone is asking us question, we can start with well. Okay. Well means they are something going to say. I go to the bathroom, wash my face and brush my teeth. Okay. Now she is explaining her routine. I go to the bathroom, wash my face and brush my teeth. Next one. I work out every morning. I can't do without it. I work out every morning. I can't do without it. She has the regular habit of doing the exercise in the morning itself. Okay. Workout. Workout means exercise. Okay. Do without means manage without. I can't manage without. Okay. So this can be said as I can't do without it. I can't manage without it. Okay. Workout means exercise. Okay. I work out every morning. I exercise every morning. Okay. The next one. Before exercising, I usually like to warm up by doing stretches. Stretches means stretching our hands and legs. Okay. Warm up means prepare. Okay. Before workout, I usually like to warm up by doing stretches. Okay. Before exercising or before workout. Next one. Then I take a shower. Then I take a shower. Okay. After doing exercises, she will take shower. Okay. Before exercise, she will stretch her hands and legs. So after shower, she will take her breakfast. And after that, I have my breakfast. And after that, I have breakfast. Next one. Next, I write down my to-do list. I write down my to-do list. Here it is given in simple present tense. It is a routine activity of the girl. So she says everything in simple present tense. Next, I write down my to-do list. Okay. I always plan my day ahead. Okay. So to-do list means things what she is going to do in that day. Okay, I always plan my day ahead. Plan ahead means plan something in advance. Okay, planning something in advance is called plan ahead. And the next one, I have a strict schedule and do my best to stick to it. She always plans something every day and she tries to make herself to stick with the plan. Okay, so which means follow without anything changing anything. Okay, stick to it means following something without changing anything in it. Okay, and the next one, then I check the weather because I like to be prepared for the day. So she used to have the habit of checking the weather before moving from the house. Okay, then I check the weather because I like to be prepared for the day. Next one, then I pick out the right outfit. Pick out means choose. Then I pick out the right outfit. Pick out means choose. According to the weather, she used to select the outfit. Outfit means dress. Okay, hope you have understood, children. Let's meet in another class with some other topic.